Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the Sephora Pocket palette. This is the Plum tones one. So it's got like a lot of purpley tones in it and a couple of shimmers as well. And yeah, I'm going to be popping this on my eyes and seeing what I think of it. I did purchase this, it must be about a year ago now, and I've had a look on the website because obviously Sephora's in the UK now, and unfortunately this one is actually out of stock, although they do have a very similar one now. So I'm going to tag that one in the description box below for you. But I figured that with regards to the actual product itself and the colour story and everything being similar, we'd still be able to get a rough idea of what it's like. So this is what the palette looks like. So it did have an elastic bit around it there. So we take that off and then it pulls out here. And then this is the colour story just here. It is very pretty. As I say, it's very purple. So we've got a pale purple here. We've got a darker shimmer one here. We've got a very dark purple here, which is really nice. And then we've got more of a pinky one here. We've got what looks like a duochrome here and a goldy tone just here as well. So I'll give these a quick swatch. So here's a look at what the swatches are like. I actually think these are really nice. The shimmers are stunning, really nice. And the mattes have quite a lot of pigment in as well. So yeah, they seem quite pretty actually. So let's get trying it out. So I'm going to start off by going into the palest shade in the palette, which is this one here. So it's this really nice, like muted purple tone. And that one is going to go in my crease and just above as well, which is beautifully pigmented, really nice. Okay, so that's really nice, really impressed with that. And then I'm going to go into the darkest one, which is this one just here. So it's a really deep plum shade. And I'm going to be putting that on the outer part of my lid just here, and then just bringing it in slightly into the crease. Oh, that's a nice colour. Really nice. Yeah, that is beautiful. Such a nice colour. And then next I'm going to take this really pretty like paler shade just here, and I'm going to pop that on the inner part of my lid just here. Oh, that's really nice. That's lovely. It's not an intense shimmer, like you don't get this foiled or metallic look from it, but it's just really quite subtle, but it's really pretty. So that's that done. And then underneath, I'm going to take the darker purple shade again that I used here and just run that underneath my lower lash line as well. Okay, and there we go, we're all done. So I'm really happy with that. So I'm just going to finish off with some mascara and then I will be back. So here is the finished look, and I am really, really happy with this. I think it's gone so well. The mattes, even though there were only 2 mattes in there was one really pale one really dark one, and they were obviously both purpley shades, but they were so beautiful. Really, really lovely matte shades, lovely pigment, and really nice to blend as well. And this shimmer, I absolutely love it. I think it's so pretty. It is quite a subtle colour, but it's really, really pretty, really nice. So as always, the product used in today's video, I will link in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes or anything like that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you'd like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.